Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailing information
and other automotive goodness.
So please like,
subscribe,
ring the notification bell,
and share with your friends.
And check out our merch below.
We got some cool merch.
Yeah, check it out. All right, Ryan. A little quicker video today we're gonna do, right?
Yeah.
What we got?
A few years back, I purchased this Carrand, I believe that's how you say the name.
We just learned, right?
Carrand Performance Cleaning Solutions.
It's got a lot of names.
It's on the front. Sorry, guys. Suds-N-Spray.
Suds-N-Spray.
I really don't remember why I bought this, but
it was intriguing.
Yeah.
Right?
So we thought we would go over this really quick, do a quick little review of it.
Yeah, why not? Check it out, the more entry-level foam cannon.
Foam cannon.
No, gun.
Cannon.
Cannon is what we put on the pressure washer. Guns are what? Yeah, guns.
There you go.
Guns. I'm gonna mess it up forever, even though I know it. I'm gonna mess it up, but whatever.
It's okay. But yeah, we'll go over some of the points, and then we'll get to showing how this thing works, whether it's decent or not.
Yeah.
Whether it's worth picking up one. I think I remember buying this either at Walmart or one of the automotive stores.
All right. So hey.
So here we're gonna be using some Voodoo car soap in it. We'll set that off to the side.
So what we got here? Suds-N-Spray foaming wash, we said. Okay, includes clean spray nozzle grip. So that's detachable, right?
Quick observation, it's a hard plastic, so I'm gonna say if you drop this on your driveway, it'll probably break.
It's probably done, yeah.
But,
yeah, I can tell by the sound it's making.
Yeah, it's very, here.
That squeaky, oh yeah.
There we go.
Might not last long, but we'll see.
But we'll see.
Hey, but look, the family's washing the car.
Aww. Well, family time.
So foam soaks, softens, and lifts away stuck dirt and debris. And that's not purchased this. We know that. The foam lifts that dirt and debris off. And
is a good thing.
Yeah, foam is great. So if we can get foam. All right, tip rotates. That's funny. It's just
it does. Look,
tip rotates, by the way.
It does. Here, I'll even demonstrate that real quick. So spraying that way versus
I guess
that
vertical,
way.
Horizontal stream. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Cool.
All right. So we'll go off the back real quick. Well, we just did that. The rotating barrel tip.
Okay.
Tip rotates.
Yeah, I'll demonstrate while you point out some.
All right. Connecting clean spray nozzle grip.
So yeah, there's a little lock right here. I undo that and check that out.
And you can spray just water, right?
Yep.
Check that. All right, so
in there.
Here's the other points.
Put the lock back on. There we go.
The air intake on the barrel.
Okay, that's this.
Gotcha. Obviously a soap canister.
Oh yeah, here, I'll just take it off.
Where's the trigger?
Oh, right there. I got a nice little screened pickup. I like that. It's got a little screen in there.
Oh, I was wondering what the ring was on the bottom. That's the trigger lock.
Okay, so Brandon's talking. Oh, here's the trigger.
And you flip that little guy up.
And that locks. Oh, look at that.
That's a very rudimentary trigger lock.
I know. I was thinking, what, do you hang it from that?
Yeah,
Nope, that's the trigger lock.
Okay, that works. And then here, we'll go over quick operation. 1, fill your soap canister. And you said there's a line, right?
Yep, and there's a fill soap to this line. Wow, that's way up there.
That's a lot of soap.
That is a lot of soap. That'd be more than I'd use in a bucket.
But let's do it.
We're going to follow their instructions.
Yeah. And I'll give a real quick tip. Suds-N-Spray works best with recommended mix of soap and water, but car wash soaps can vary in liquid viscosity. More soap will make more foam. Well, we know that, but that's with anything.
That makes sense.
Choose your favorite car wash soap and see what works best for you. So trial and error. Number 2, it says you just go at it. Cascade your professional foam wash. So you're just going to squeeze the trigger.
And
step 3,
foam should
disperse from the tip.
Oh, I forgot to mention, you fill the soap up to here, and then you fill up to here with water.
I went ahead, that's why.
Yeah.
That's why you forgot. I went
so
ahead
that's why I forgot.
Reading.
Yeah, Brandon made me forget that.
Sorry. Last step, rinse, so you can disconnect.
So yeah, and then again, you gotta undo this lock, otherwise it won't, and then rinse. We'll see how good this sprayer is.
All right, Carrand, let's go put you to the test.
All right, so let's head out into the nice bright sun and
pour some soap and fill some water and spray some foam.
Make some foam.
Let's see if we can foam it up.
Make some foam, yes.
Ooh, breeze.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's a nice breeze. By the way, it's hot.
Yeah, we're coming back. We're coming back
right.
to you. We're still in Phoenix, and it's still hot. We haven't moved.
All right.
All right.
Let's go make some foam. Foam. All right. So here we are out in the Arizona sun. You really shouldn't do this in direct sun. I'm just going to give you that.
This is a
word of
very
caution.
hot piece of metal here.
In fact,
Don't even touch it.
Voodoo soap here that we'll be using today says you're not really supposed to use this on hot surfaces. But hey, we're not demoing this. We're demoing this.
Yeah, we're doing the exactly.
So I wouldn't wash my car in the
All right.
in the sun. I would not wash my car. So I'm going to take this apart, get this out of the way just to show how that detaches. Now we're going to, okay, here we go. We're going to put in some soap. Set that down. Look, I'm not prepared. And then we got the soap fill line, which is right there. Let me know when I get there, Brandon, because on the back side here, there is no soap fill line.
Glug, glug, glug.
Whoa, that's,
Keep going.
are you serious?
Keep going. Keep going.
It's literally,
Keep going. Keep going. You're there.
oh my goodness. That is a lot of soap, guys.
I
Wow.
don't think I've ever used that much soap on a
You know,
On a
I don't
vehicle.
know. I don't know if I'm
comfortable.
happy about that, but
You're going to go through a lot of soap, possibly.
and then well, let's see how this sprays here because wow.
Oh, yeah, we got to get that pressure out, right?
Yep. We'll let's see if I can fill that here. Okay, I just don't want it to fly into my face. That's a lovely sound. Can you see the fill line?
Yeah, I'll let you know. Right there.
Okay, so now we've got that filled. We'll put this back on. We'll just spin this. All right, so we'll reattach. There's a little lock, and it's good to go. We're ready here. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready to see this thing foam.
All right, let's see some foam here for the, for
Carrand
easy
Suds and Suds, soaps and suds. Is that
soaps and suds, suds and
what-
soaps.
Suds and soaps.
I want to see some suds. That's
Yeah.
all I want to see.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Oh, wah, wah, wah. Yeah, we got some leakage at the bottom, I think.
What is up with that? Here, let's try that again. Ready? I don't know.
Yeah, that doesn't seem right. It is foaming. Try it
Now
horizontal.
we're getting some foam. Here, let's try the other
Twist
direction.
method.
Ready for this? Here we go.
Oh, yeah, it loses pressure.
Yeah, I wonder if,
Maybe it's defective.
because Brandon and I did watch their video, and it continues to spray.
Like that initial spray, right?
Yeah, like
It doesn't pull back like
it
that.
dies off here. Oh, whoa, wait a minute. It's almost like it's leaking from this little
Yeah.
air part
I
here.
think I did some water. You got some weird water coming. Oh, there you go.
Oh, there we go. It was good for us. Oh, whoa, here. Whoa.
Inconsistent is what I'm going to go with on that.
Okay, it is hilarious though, right, guys? At least it's somewhat entertaining. I hope yours
Wait, we
entertaining.
think it works. Wait, it doesn't work.
Wait, it worked. No,
Based on their video, it should shoot that larger stream of water the whole time.
I gotta say, this soap is pleasant smelling.
Yeah, and it is foamy.
Oh, and now we're getting bubbles. Hey, there we go.
It's a bubble. Hey, yeah, you got it.
Whoa, wait, it's still sputtering.
Don't touch it. You know, maybe something's clogged in the screen, right?
Hey, I gotta say, we're getting some amazing bubbles.
Look at this.
Here, show. Okay,
It is foam. It's working now.
all right. It is working, but check that out. Look, I'm almost out.
I don't know if you'd hit the whole car even by now. I mean, yeah, we put a lot
I think
on the
you
hood,
could-
but
Honestly, I think you could get around a small vehicle, but if you've got a big truck, I don't know. It seems to burn through the soap pretty fast. Check that out, guys. It's
yeah, because that was
pretty
full to
low.
the top.
Yeah, it was all the way up, and I know we're goofing around on our test hood here, but
Hey,
I
I
don't
wonder.
know.
I wonder something. We didn't mix that real well with the water, did we? Do you
That's
think
a
the
good
soap
point.
was too thick? And maybe that's why we were getting the low.
Brandon, that's a good point.
Should we retest? We got plenty of soap.
Yeah, if you guys want to stick with us, we'll test this out
Yeah.
for you, and yeah, because now
Maybe
it's,
that's what was clogging the giving us the bad aeration.
I just like these bubbles that it's making.
It's a bubble maker. I have never seen anything make bubbles like
Okay, for the DIY guy,
that. That's actually working
you
pretty
know,
decent
okay,
now.
I'm happy because I got to be honest. I did use it the other night, and I was getting mediocre to terrible results. But this is pretty good. Again, I was using a soap that had a wax in it, and we know those don't
Yeah, they
foam
don't
up.
foam the best.
And this is just a pure
pretty
soap,
pure.
but that's impressive.
And that's working decently.
Yeah, I gotta say, I'm feeling differently about this.
No foam cannon, but
Second time,
for a
right?
foam gun, yeah.
This is still not a substitute for a cannon or even a.
And there
A good
are
foam
some
gun.
the high-end foam guns too, yeah.
But here, I guess I could rinse and we could try that again. Here.
You want to just dump it and put a new batch of soap and
Sure.
why not?
And this sprayer's kind of weird, but it's working. Oh, I didn't mean to spray.
No, you're good. It feels good. It's hot.
It is warm in the sun. It almost looks like snow.
Yeah, it does.
Snow in Arizona.
All right, here, dump it out. We'll just do a retest. We're gonna do a retest here.
All right, stick with us.
Ooh, the bottle just weird. What we're gonna do different, right? Let's give it a little mix.
Yes.
We won't
You want-
shake it like crazy.
You sure? Well, no, you're right. Not like crazy, but.
All right, I think that's good.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's
Better
try
result?
this. We'll test your. I think it's a good theory. You know what I'd like to also do? Is get some nice shots of that foamy goodness.
Yeah, let's do that.
You know. Okay, here we go. No, check it out. It's like womp womp womp.
Same problem. So that. Oh, now we're back.
Now we're good.
Okay, that probably was not the issue then.
But now it's
Roll.
good.
Now it's good.
Hey, if you guys have ever used one of these, I mean,
Maybe there's like
Let
a
us know.
defect somewhere. Maybe the pinhole leak. Well, now
no,
we're
it's good. All right. All right, Brandon. So let's go ahead and wrap this up.
All right, so Carrand Suds-N-Spray, right?
Carrand Suds-N-Spray, correct? Yep.
I think actually does a decent job when it was working. It might have a defect going on in there,
Yeah, because it was intermittent.
like an air leak or something. Yeah.
We got a good amount of spray, and then it would knock back where it was just dribbling out, and then it would go good, and then dribble back. And
So I think if you get one that's working, I think you're not gonna have a problem because when it was working, it did a great job. Build quality, be careful.
yeah, it's very, very like
It's gonna.
hard,
it's
cheap,
probably gonna break
plasticky,
on you,
but again, this thing, if I remember right, was not very expensive. I think I got it on sale actually.
yeah. So hey, I think it's not a terrible product. It did what it said it was supposed to
You
do.
know.
We've got foamy suds.
Yeah, we finally got foam. Again, it took a lot of soap though.
It does take a lot of soap, yeah.
Honest opinion, yeah, I mean, you could get as much of that foam in a bucket with probably what?
Third as much soap.
A third as much soap.
Right, yeah.
Agreed. But it's not a bad product to get that
Use it.
foam going.
Luckily, that's not a super expensive soap. You can get the, we've seen, I mean, you can pick up like McGuire's Gold Class is a decent soap.
Yeah.
You get, what, 64 ounces for $6 or
Yep.
something? So something like that, or if you're gonna use something like this.
And again, I wasn't getting results like this the other night when I used it was a soap that had a wax in it,
which tend not to foam as well.
And those we know they don't foam as much.
But yeah,
all right,
there you go. I hope you guys like that. Thanks for watching. Please like,
subscribe,
ring our notification bell,
and don't forget to share with your friends.
Share with your friends, and check out our merch, of course.
Yeah, we appreciate the support so much. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys. Till the next one. See you later.
Later.
Oh.